Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about conversion of units of length, weight, and capacity. So ito po ay from English system to English system. So paano nga po ba mag-convert ng units ng length, weight, and capacity for English system? Papaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start with the units of length. So ito po yung ating English system to English system conversion for the units of length. Okay, so we have this one measure and the equivalent measure. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, 36 inches, 1 yard, 3 feet, 1 yard, and 5,280 feet, 1 mile. So paano nga po ba tayo mag-convert from one unit to another unit for this English system? Okay, so let's start with this number 1 example. Convert 8 feet to inches. So how many inches are there in 8 feet? Okay, yun po yung hahanapin ng problem. Ko-convert po natin yan. So mula po dito sa ating conversion table, tignan po natin kung mayroon pong direct conversion of feet and inches. So sa ating pong table, meron po, ito po ay inches at ito po ay feet. So meron pong direct conversion ng inches to feet or feet to inches. Okay. So, first tignan po natin yung ating given. Gagamit po tayo dito ng conversion factor. Ang given po natin na unit ay feet. So, kapag gumamit po tayo ng conversion factor, ay nasa denominator yung feet. Okay? So, ang given ay feet. Ito po ay gagawin po nating fraction itong magka-partner na conversion na ito, 12 inches and 1 foot. So kahit saan po ang numerator, denominator dito, pwede lang. Pero dapat pag ginawa po nating numerator at denominator itong conversion na ito, yung nasa denominator, yun din po yung unit ng given. So ang given po natin dito ay 8 feet. Feet po ang unit. Dapat ang denominator po dito ay feet. Okay? So 1 feet and then ang partner po niya ay 12 inches. Kaya 12 inches po yung numerator. Okay? Nakuha po ba? Kaya 12 inches over 1 feet. Ang purpose po niyan, may kakancel po natin itong feet. Okay? So pwede po kasing i-cancel dyan kapag ito po ay given at nasa denominator yung unit, may kakancel po yung unit nila. Okay? Kasi po kapag yung 12 inches nasa baba, 1 feet nasa taas, hindi po pwedeng i-cancel yan. Ano po? So ganyan lang po ang pwedeng pagka-cancel. Okay? To simplify, multiply lang po ito, 8 times 12 inches. Okay? So 8 times 12 inches. And then yung denominator niya, since 1 na lang po yan, pwede na pong tanggalin yan. Kasi over 1 lang po ito, divide by 1. So any value divided by 1 is equal to the number. Okay? So just multiply this one. 8 times 12 inches, that is equal to 96 inches. So, ibig sabihin, 8 feet is equal to 96 inches. Okay, so how about this number 2 question? Convert 45 feet to yard. Okay, so ang ko-convert naman po natin ay from feet to yard. Okay, so how many yard are there in 45 feet? So mula po ulit dito sa ating conversion table, tingnan po natin kung may direct conversion of feet and yard. Okay, inches feet, inches yard, feet and yard. So meron po tayo, 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So may ko-convert po natin ito ng diretso. Again, ito pong partner na ito dito sa ating table, 3 feet and 1 yard, gawin po nating fraction, numerator at denominator. Pero alin po dito ang denominator? So 45 feet. So feet po ang unit niya, ibig sabihin ito pong 3 feet na ito ay denominator at itong 1 yard, ito po yung numerator. Okay, gawin po natin yan. So 1 yard, ito yon over 3 feet. Okay, this one. So feet ang given at denominator ay feet, may kakancel po natin itong feet na ito. Okay? So we can cancel feet. So next, we are going to multiply 45 times numerator 1 yard. Okay? 45 times 1 yard. Since yung denominator po natin ay 3, kailangan po nating i-divide dito kasi 3 na po yan. Pero pag 1, okay lang kahit wag na po tayo mag-divide. Since ito po ay 3, should be divide by 3. Okay? Multiply natin yung numerator muna. 45 times 1 yard. 45 times 1 is 45 and then yard. Divided by 3. Okay, so now, we are going to simplify 45 yard divided by 3. So, pwede pong i-divide ito. What is 45 divided by 3? That is equal to how much? 15 yards. Okay, so therefore, 45 feet is equal to 15 yards. Okay, so how about this number 3 question? Convert 2 miles to inches. Okay? So, i-convert natin yung miles to inches. So, how many inches are there in 2 miles? So, punta ulit tayo dito sa ating table. Okay, so meron po bang direct conversion from mile to inches or inches to mile? So, mile and inches. So, mile, foot, foot, yard, inches, foot. So, wala pong mile and inches. So, ibig sabihin, magdadalawang beses po tayong mag-conversion. Okay, mag-convert. So, ano po yung conversion muna? Meron po bang mile? Kasi mile po ang given, dapat mile muna. So, mile to, ito lang po yung conversion ng mile. Mile to foot, meron po. And then, meron po bang foot to inches? Okay, meron po bang foot to inches? Okay, meron pong foot to inches. Okay? So, mula po mile, suguhin ko po. Mula po mile, gawin po nating foot. Okay? Ito po. Mula po mile, gawin po nating foot. And then, since foot na po siya, from foot, gawin na po nating inches. Okay, so, inches na po yung last natin na unit. Nakuha po ba? Kasi wala pong direct. Ulitin ko po, 2 miles to inches, wala pong direct. Pero gagawin po natin ng paraan. Yung mile, gawin po muna nating foot kasi meron po silang conversion. And then, kapag foot na po siya, meron na pong foot to inches kasi inches po yun, okay? So, mula foot ulit to inches, okay? So, gawin po natin. Ito po muna, mile to foot. So, 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Okay, gawin po nating fraction ito. Since ang given po ay mile, okay, ito pong 1 mile, gawin nating denominator at ito pong 5,280 feet numerator. Okay, ganito po yan. Okay, so yan. So, mile na po yung denominator, numerator na po natin ay feet. So, mile po yung given, so makakancel po natin yung mile. Okay? Then, multiply natin 2 miles times 5,280 feet. Okay? And then, yung ating pong denominator ay 1, kahit wag na pong divide by 1 dito. Okay? So, if you are going to multiply, 2 times 5 to 80 feet, that is equal to 10,560 feet. Okay, feet na po siya. Ngayon, meron pong, ulit sabi ko, feet to inches. Okay? So, ito po yung ating ko-convert ngayon, yung feet na yan to inches para makarating po tayo sa inches. Okay, so yan po. So, 10,560 feet. Ito po yung kanilang conversion. 1 feet, 12 inches. Since feet po yung given, ito pong 1 feet na ito or 1 foot ay gawin nating denominator. Okay? So, yan po. So, 12 inches over 1 foot. So, foot po yung given, foot po yung denominator. We can cancel foot. So, multiply 10,560 times 12 inches. Okay? And then, yung ating pong denominator ay 1, pwede pong ilagay, pwede pong hindi. Huwag na pong ilagay kasi 1 na po yun. Okay? So, if you multiply 10,560 times 12, that is equal to 126,720 and then yung unit na inches. So, therefore, 2 miles, ito po, 2 miles to inches, 2 miles is equal to 126,720 inches. Okay, so how about units of weight naman po tayo? So, ito po yung ating conversion table. 1 lb, so ang lb po ay pound. So, 1 pound is equal to 16, ano po yung oz? Ounce po yan. So, 16 ounce. Okay? And then 1 t or 1 ton is equal to 2,000 lbs or 2,000 pounds. Okay, so ito po lang yung ating conversion table. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 example. Convert 3 lbs or 3 pounds to ounces or ounce. Okay, so how many ounce are there in 3 pounds? Okay, so mula po dito sa ating conversion table, i-convert po natin yung 3 pounds to ounce. Okay, so meron po bang direct conversion? Meron po. Ito pong 1 pound is equal to 12 ounce. So, kapag direkta, madali lang po yun. Minsan lang po tayo magko-convert. Okay? So, gawin po nating fraction, itong pound in ounce. Ang given po ay pound, so ito pong 1 lb ay denominator, ito pong 16 ounce ay numerator. Okay? So that we can cancel pound. Okay? So, 3 LBS, 1 LB. So, makakancel po natin yung LB. Okay? Then, multiply 3 times 16 ounce is equal to, okay, lagay ko po muna, 3 times 16 is equal to 48 ounce. Okay? So, yung 1 pound, okay lang pong, wag nang ilagay yung 1 dito kasi divide by 1, that's okay lang po yan. So, 48 ounce. So, therefore, 3 pounds is equal to 48 ounce. Okay, for number 2 question, how many tons are in 4,000 pounds? Okay, so i-convert po natin from tons or from pounds to tons. So, how many tons are there in 4,000 pounds? Okay, so given po yung ating 4,000 pounds, okay, meron pong conversion ng ton and pounds. Okay, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So, since ang given po ay pound LBS, ito pong 2,000 LBS na ito ay denominator. At ito pong 1 ton na partner niya ay numerator. Okay? So, gawin po natin. So, yan. 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. So, nasa denominator po yung pound. So, may kakancel po natin dito sa given na pound. Okay? So, just multiply 4,000 times 1 ton sa numerator. At sa denominator naman po, kailangan nating ilagay ito kasi mayroon po tayong value dito na 2,000. Okay? So, just multiply 4,000 times 1 ton is equal to 4,000 ton divided by 2,000. And divide, what is 4,000 divided by 2,000? That is equal to 2. And then yung unit na T or ton, that is 2 tons. So, therefore, we have now this one. 4,000 pounds is equal to 2 tons. Okay, for the third measurement, this is units of capacity. So ito po yung ating table or conversion table for the units of capacity. So we have 1 cup. So ang unit po ng cup ay C, 8 FLOZ. So ano po yung ibig sabihin ng FL? Ito po ay fluid ounce. Okay? 1 pint PT is equal to 2 cups. Okay? 1 QT, ano po yung QT? Ito po ay quarts. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Okay, so ito po yung ating gagamiting conversion table para makapag-convert po tayo ng units of measurement for capacity. Okay, for number 1 question. How many pins are there in 20 cups? Okay, so ko-convert natin from 20 cups to pins. So, paano po yan? Using this conversion table, ang given po natin ay 20C or 20 cups. Meron po bang direct conversion ng cups and pint? Tingnan po natin kung may cup and pint. Ito po ay cup, fluid ounce, hindi po. Pint and cups, ito po. Mayroon pong 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. Okay, so 20 cups po yung given. Again, gawin po nating fraction itong conversion dito. So, 1 pint and 2 cups. So, alin po dito ang numerator at alin po dito ang denominator? Ang given po ay cups. So, ito pong 2 cups, gawin po nating denominator. 1 pint, gawin po nating numerator. Okay, gawin po natin dito. Ayan po. 1 pint over 2 cups. So, yung cup po ay given at ito pong cup dito sa ating fraction ay denominator. Pwede po natin yan i-cancel. Okay, to simplify, multiply 20 times 1 PT. Okay? So, 20 times 1 pit over, since mayroon po tayong value dito na 2, kailangan po nating ilagay dyan, divided by 2. So, simplify yung numerator, 20 times 1 pint is equal to 20 pints over 2. Okay, so, pwede na pong i-divide yan. What is 20 divided by 2? That is equal to 10. And then yung unit niya na PT, so 10 pins. So, therefore, we have 20 cups or there are 10 pins in 20 cups. So, 20 cups are equivalent to 10 pins. So, there are 10 pins in 20 cups. Okay, so how about this number 2 question? How many pins are there in 3 gallons? So, i-convert po natin from gallon to pins. So, how many gallons or how many pins are there in 3 gallons? So, ayan po yan. Okay, so 3 gallon is equal to, tignan po natin kung meron pong direct conversion of pint and gallon. Okay, cup, fluid ounce, pint, cups, 1 quart, 2 pints, 1 gallon, 4 quarts. So, wala po. Wala pong conversion or direct conversion ng gallon and pins. So, ano pong gagawin natin? Isa lang po yung gallon natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, yung gallon, gawin po natin munang quarts. Okay? So first, yung gallon, gawin po nating quarts. Okay? Pag meron na po tayong quarts, meron na po bang quarts to pins? Okay, ito po, meron pong quart to pins. So ito po yung pangalawa natin, from quart, then gawin na po nating pins. So mag-end po tayo sa pins kasi how many pins? Pins po ang hinahanap. Okay? So again, gallon yung given. So gawin po natin gallon to quart, then quart to pins. Okay? So ganun po yan. So 3 gallons, ito po muna. So gallon po yung given na unit. So 1 gallon, ito po yung denominator, 4 quarts, ito po yung numerator. Okay? So gawin po natin, yan. 4 quarts over 1 gallon. Okay? So makakancel na po natin itong gallon. Then just multiply 3 times 4 quarts. Okay? Divided by 1. Actually, kahit wag na pong ilagay yung 1, pero nilagay ko po dito. Just multiply the numerator, 3 times 4 quarts, that is equal to 12 quarts. And divide by 1, okay lang po yan. Divide by 1 is equal to this number. Okay? Ngayon, 12 quarts, okay, may ko-convert na po natin sa pins. Okay, kunin po natin itong 12 quarts na yan, ko-convert po natin sa pins. So, ito po, quart ang given, 1 quart, 2 pins. So, ito pong 1 quart, numerator, 2 pins, 1 quart denominator kasi quart po yung given at 2 pins numerator. Gandaan po yan. Okay? So, 2 pint over 1 quart. So, may kakancel po natin yung quart. Okay? And then multiply 12 times 2 pins divided by 1. Then multiply 12 times 2 pins is 24 pins. Divide by 1 is equal to 24 pins also. Okay? So therefore, na-convert natin from gallon to pin. So we have, there are 24 pin in 3 gallons. Okay, so how about this number 3 question? How many gallons are there in 48 cups? Okay, ko-convert natin yung 48 cups into gallons. So mayroon po bang direct conversion of cups in gallon? Tingnan po natin. Ito po yung cups, pint, 1 cup, fluid on. So wala po. At isa pa, ito lang po yung gallon. Ano po? Isa lang. Okay, so tingnan po natin. So saan po tayo mag-start? Mag-start po tayo sa 48 cups. Okay, so meron po ba tayong way para mapunta po tayo sa gallon mula po sa cup? Kasi wala pong direct. So ito po yung cups lang. 2 cups, 1 pint. Meron po bang pint to gallon? Wala po. So anong pong gagawin natin? Okay, 1 cup fluid ons, wala din po. Okay, so ito lang po yung ating way. Okay? Yung cup, gawin po nating pint. And then, kapag pint na po tayo, meron pong 2 pints equal to quart. And then, from quart, gawin na po nating gallon. So, ibig sabihin, bali tatlong conversion po yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, 48 cups, again, cups po yan. Gawin po natin ito, pints. And then, from pints, gawin po nating quarts. And then, from quarts, gawin po nating gallon. Okay, yan po. From cups to gallon po yung gagawin natin. Okay, unahin po natin ito. So, 48 cups. Cups po yung unit. Yung 2 cups, gawin po nating denominator, 1 pint numerator. Okay? Yan po yan. So, nasa denominator po itong cup. So, pwede po natin yan i-cancel yan. Okay? So, 48 times 1 pint divided by yung denominator na 2 po dito. So, 48 times 1 pint is equal to 48 pints over 2. So, what is 48 divided by 2? That is equal to 24 pins. Okay. So, okay na po tayo sa pins. Okay, pins na po tayo papunta sa quart. Okay, yung 24 pins na yan, lagay ko po ulit dito. Ito po na po tayo, pins to quart. So, pins po yung given. Ito pong 2 pins na ito, denominator, 1 quart numerator. Okay, ito po. Okay, so 1 quart over 2 pins. So, may kakancel po natin itong pins. Then, multiply natin 24 times 1 quart divided by 2. What is 24 times 1 quart? That is equal to 24 quart divided by 2. What is 24 divided by 2? That is equal to 12 quarts. Okay, so 12 quarts na po tayo. May ko-convert na po natin yung quarts to gallon. Okay, so itaas ko po dito para ma-space. So 12 quarts, may ko-convert na po natin into gallon. Okay, so quart po yung given. Yung 4 quarts po na ito, gawin po nating denominator at 1 gallon numerator. Okay, so we can cancel now quarts. Then multiply 12 times 1 gallon then divided by my 4 po dito sa denominator, so divided by 4. So multiply, 12 times 1 gallon is 12 gallon divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 gallons. So therefore, there are 3 gallons in 48 cups. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.